Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to switch off this device. So in this video I will show you two different methods to switch off this device. The first method, the basic method, tap on volume down button and the lock button. Volume up button and the lock button. Now you can see the window for power off. You can see this is for restart and this is for power off. So to power off the device, tap on the white circle and swipe the bottom. Okay, so now I will show you next method to switch off the device using the accessibility shortcut menu. You can see this is the menu. Okay, tap on this one. Here you can see the option power. Just tap on this one. You can see the same window you can see here. So to switch off the device, just tap on the white circle and swipe the button. Now you can see the device is switched off. So simply in this way you can switch off your device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.